Hello, techies. This is comptia lab 5.2.5 and we're going to connect patch panel cables. Alright, so we have all our tasks here for this particular lab highlighted on the left pane, and these are the things that we're going to be working on in this particular lab. So let's start up into it. So use the appropriate twisted pair cable to make a connection between the patch panel and the switch. And to do that, we are going to use the appropriate twisted um, we're going to use the appropriate twisted pair cable to make a connection between the patch panel and the switch. You're going to use the port off 1 on the patch panel, use the port 3 on the Cisco switch, and in office 1 we're going to connect the office 1 um, desktop. All right, so let's just start up right away. We have a tab set up for us, so let's just start up right away. All right, so um, let's see. Um, okay, let's use port 3 and connect the office 1 desktop computer to the local area network using the appropriate twisted pair cable. Configure office 1 desktop computer to obtain IP and DNS address automatically from the DHCP server on the local network. Use the settings app to confirm that the workstation is properly connected to the local area network and the internet. To configure DHCP, right-click the network icon at the bottom. Okay, okay. All right, so let's zoom this in, and let's zoom this in. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Let's take this here, and let's see what we have here. What are we doing? The first task here is to use the appropriate twisted pair cable to make a connection between the patch panel and the switch. All right, so let's look for our twisted pair cable here, and the twisted pair cable is um, let's see, the cable is a cat. So let's see, I've got 6A cable, RJ45, RJ45. All right, so we're going to make use of this cable here. Plug in one end. Okay, so this is it. So we plug in one end of the cable. Let's take one end of this cable. Now let's go back. Um, take one end of this cable and we'll plug it in to port. Let's say port one, off one. So off one. So plug it into off one according to the instruction on the tags. So let's zoom this in and let's see what we have next. So we'll plug this in. So this is 3. All right, so let's go into the flow 1 overview and hardware. In office 1, stand this to the back. And the twisted pair cable is going to come into this port right here, and the other one is going to come into this port right here. to access internet through that particular port. So you see the lights are blinking, which means connection there is okay. So we'll go over to flow overview, and we want to go back into the networking closet, and yes, we're going to the networking closet, and then let's see. Let's go into floor one overview, and office one. And internet here seems to be working. Let's try to search for control panel. Let's look at network internet. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Network and sharing options, and Ethernet, properties, and we go to IP4, and this is obtained automatically. Click OK. Close this, and we are going ahead and close this also, and let's go into the terminal. So from the terminal, what we want to do in the terminal is to use IP config, and let's see what we have. This is the IP address here, and so let's go ahead and just search for anything just to be sure that the internet is really working. Okay, so internet is working. It's working. So let's see, is there any other tasks we need to do? Configure DHCP, right click, and select OK. So we want to go to public, it's recommended, and DHCP. So we want to change this to, it will remain automatic. Save, go to edit, this will remain automatic. Save, and so that is it. Let's go back into the exhibit and see what we're missing here. So internet from here to here, IT admin, then off 1, off 2, since 163.128.80.93. All right, I think we're good to go. Let's see. Let's close this and see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score lab, and that is 100%. So remember, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel, and hit that like button. If you can also share this video with other students on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section, or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video to reach out to me. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Peace.